The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. It's also part of an unmanned aircraft system, or UAS. The USAF calls them remotely piloted vehicles, or RPVs, emphasizing human control. The Reaper is bigger and more powerful than its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator. It boasts a 950 shaft horsepower turboprop engine. That's a huge upgrade from the Predator's 115 horsepower piston engine. This increased power allows the Reaper to carry 15 times more ordnance. It can also cruise at about 3 times the speed of the MQ-1. Ground control stations, or GCS, house the aircrew who monitor and control the aircraft. This includes weapons employment. The MQ-9 was the first UAV designed as a hunter-killer. It excels at long-endurance, high-altitude surveillance missions. The Air Force has operated over 300 MQ-9 Reapers. Some Reapers have been retrofitted for high-end combat situations. All new MQ-9s incorporate these upgrades. The projected end of the Reaper's service life is 2035. The average unit cost is around $33 million. U.S. Customs and Border Protection also uses the Reaper. Several other countries' militaries employ the MQ-9 as well. The MQ-9A has evolved into the MQ-9B. The MQ-9B variants are called Sky Guardian or Sea Guardian depending on their mission. The prototype, Predator B-001, first flew in 2001. Abraham Karam designed the Predator. Later, a jet-powered version was tested but the turboprop design proved superior for endurance missions.